Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I upload. We are almost ready to kick off the holiday season. It is right around the corner, so I wanted to get a head start and I wanted to show you guys a couple of items that are going to be perfect for either yourself or for her. A portion of this video is sponsored by Dossier. I absolutely love working with Dossier and I'm so excited to be collaborating again. I have a full review video on Dossier that I will leave linked below in the description box if you'd like to check that out. Layering by Dossier is an awesome concept that they have where you're combining two fragrances that is going to create your own dreamy blend. I'll go through the packaging quickly, but just know again, like I said, I've already done a full review on Dossier and I will leave that video linked below. So here is the packaging for Dossier. Iconic scents, design, quality, no markups. The first fragrance that I have for my layering is going to be Floral Pear. Now on the inside of the box, you're going to have your full size bottle and then you will have a sample size bottle that you can test out before using the full size bottle. If for some reason you need to return your fragrance, they will give you guys a little sample bottle so that you can try that first. Like I said, this is Floral Pear. This one is going to be inspired by Jo Malone, English Pear and Freesia Cologne. So basically this is going to be a stock card for the fragrance. It's going to have all the information on the back of it. And at the bottom of this card, it's going to show you how the process works if for some reason you need to return your fragrance. So this one is Floral Pear and this one is going to be Floral Grapefruit. So this one is going to be inspired by Chanel's Chance, which I love. I'm telling you, these fragrances smell exactly like the fragrance that they are inspired by. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells just like Chanel Chance. It smells so good. So here are my two fragrances that I'm going to layer: Floral Pear and Floral Grapefruit. Floral Pear is going to emphasize the floral grapefruit, which is going to be the perfect combination for a lovely floral, fruity, daytime fragrance for me. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm going to layer it. So let's say I'm going to just put it here on my arm. This is going to be the Floral Pear. So I spray that. Oh my gosh, you guys, smells so good. And then I'm gonna go right in with the Floral Grapefruit. Put the two together. Wow, it literally smells like these two are meant to be together. So definitely check out Dossier. I'll have a link below along with a discount code. You guys know your girl always has a discount code for you, so make sure you check them out. Layering is so perfect, and again, this is the perfect gift for someone. Everybody loves a good fragrance for the holidays. High quality designer fragrances with no markups, just like they say in the box, you guys. Definitely check them out. Once again, thank you so much to Dossier for sending me those over, and thank you so much for collaborating with me and introducing me to layering. Absolutely amazing, you guys. Definitely a must-have. Now let's move on to the next idea that I have for you guys. This is going to be for the queens who love hair products, who love everything hair, who love wigs, who wears wigs. Wigz by Charise, you guys. For those of you who are not familiar with Wigz by Charise, I found Wigz by Charise because it was one of the wigs that I purchased off of RPG Show. I'm actually wearing my Wigz by Charise unit today. Of course, I had to wear my Wigz by Charise unit if I'm going to be talking about Wigz by Charise products. These items are absolutely perfect stocking stuffers, regular gifts, whatever. These need to be under the Christmas tree for sure. I absolutely love Wigz by Charise. Because she's from Memphis and I'm from Memphis, so of course I had to support my fellow Memphis queen. And also, I absolutely love how she designs her wigs. I love her wigs. Her website is bomb. So when she went live on Instagram, I literally had just about everything she talked about in her live stream carded and ready to go. The first item that I'm going to talk about, which I'm almost out of and I'll have to order some more, this is the Wigz by Charise Growth Oil. I started to see results after 1 week of use. I use this oil 3 times a week. I use it when I'm prepping my hair for under wigs, or I will use it on my self-care days, which is usually on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. There's really awesome natural ingredients in this oil. The ingredients that gravitated to me the most would be the sweet almond oil, the rosemary oil, and the peppermint oil. oil. I love the fact that this oil comes with a dropper because I can literally just take it and graze it through my scalp when I'm doing my scalp. You guys, it smells so good. And the description is provides relief from itchy, dry scalp and reduces dandruff while stimulating hair growth and making your hair smell fantastic. All 100% true. I personally don't have an issue with dandruff. I can tell you guys that this oil is very, very soothing to the scalp. I've never really had an issue with like balding edges or anything like that, but I am definitely seeing that my edges are getting stronger since I have started using this growth oil. Next, you guys, oh my gosh, this one, if you don't get anything else that I talk about from the Wigz by Charise line, you have to definitely get the Wig Knot Healer as a gift or for yourself. If you're wearing wigs and you hate bleaching your knots, I don't even know how to bleach my knots. I've been wearing wigs for how long now and I still have never ever bleached my knots. So again, this is the Wig Knot Healer. You guys can tell how excited I am about this. And she says specifically on the box, no bleaching. You do not have to bleach your knots, you guys, when you use this product. So here's what the packaging looks like. Also, just so you guys know, she has really super cute packaging as well. I wish I would have saved it, but I was too excited and I used all of these products as soon as I got them. There's two different sides to this Wig Knot Healer. On the top, you're obviously going to have product that's going to go on your lace. I purchased shade 3 and it was absolutely perfect for me, if that helps anybody. On the other side, you're going to have your little brush that you will use to actually put the product on the lace and smooth it out. You also don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. I will be showing you guys exactly how I use this product and exactly how much I used, and you will see the coverage is amazing. I'm telling you guys, you absolutely need this, especially if you hate dealing with the process of bleaching your knots. And last but not least, from my mini haul from the Wigz by Charise collection, I purchased the lace melt belt. Also an absolute must-have. Here's what I love about this belt. It is super sturdy, amazing quality. It looks like a cute headband. One day I actually was wearing this like to set my hair and I posted a story. I was looking at it and I was like, dang, this would be a really cute headband. It fits perfectly for my head size, and you guys know I have a smaller head size, so it is perfect for that. And here is the best part, which you guys will also see when I'm styling the wig. You do not have to use glue or gel or anything when you're using this lace melt belt. I literally did not glue anything today. I simply put my Nairobi setting lotion on, threw on my lace melt belt, got ready, and by then my hair was down tat. The lace was laid. Perfect stocking stuffer for anyone that rocks units and needs a really good lace melt belt. So these are the items that I got from the Wigz by Charise website. I definitely want to get more, and I of course want to get another Wigz by Charise wig. She has so many that comes out that I'm just like not sure which one to get because I love them all. So definitely check her out. I will of course leave her link in the description box below. And if you're wondering about the specific wig that I have on my head, this is a Wigz by Charise wig that was from the RPG Show website, but I will definitely be leaving her website so that you guys can check out all of her units, the curtain bangs, the curlies, all of that good stuff will be in the description box below. My lashes and my top are from my boutique, the Shoptique. I will be leaving the link to my boutique in the description box below as well. You guys, I have some bomb stuff in my store, so make sure you check it out. Check out my store. Make sure you check out Dossier. Make sure you check out Wigz by Charise. Lots of options here for you to get started with your holiday shopping. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. If you'd like to see how I use my Wigz by Charise products, keep on watching.